This AI account earned a whopping $27,835 last month, while another AI image story account made over $20,000 in just 1 month, all thanks to AI. Today's video, I'll teach you how to create a similar themed page using AI with very little effort. There are many videos on YouTube about this topic, but this one is unique. I'll share the precise marketing and psychological techniques you can use to grow your page and make the most money from it, even if you're starting small. Whether you're drop shipping or selling digital products, everything can be successful if you know what to do. And the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. I stumbled upon this idea while searching for new ways to make money for my business, and I was amazed by how much others were earning in such a short time. For example, one seller made over $100,000 on Etsy in just a few months by selling mid-journey arts and prompts. So, I thought, why not start a similar AI business? But I'll make it even better. How you said? I'll apply my own methods to achieve results even faster, and I won't rely on Etsy, which can be slow and take months to see results. Instead, I'll use my own creative strategies to boost my reach and sales. Get ready to learn a lot. First, we need to choose a good theme for our page. However, simply typing "I need ideas for social media theme pages" won't work, as it might suggest themes like fitness or finance niches where AI might not be as helpful, as most of those pages are informative. To find the right theme, we use a specific prompt in Chatgpt. In this context, LVT stands for the projected revenue a customer will generate during their lifetime, and higher is better. This prompt helps us identify niches where we can post AI images and have the best opportunities to make money. We're looking for theme pages where people can connect emotionally, because when people have an emotional attachment to our page, they are more likely to have a positive association with it, making them more interested in our products or services. For instance, Johnson's baby powder sold $1.4 billion worth of product just last year, and emotional connection played a big part in that success. So, we'll use this emotional connection to our advantage. Here are the results: AI pet portraits, AI family moments, and AI love stories. Each of these themes has a strong emotional attachment, making it easier for us to sell to our audience. I chose AI family moments and AI love stories because these are untapped markets in AI with huge opportunities. I asked for more specific sub-niches because remember, the more targeted our audience is, the better our chances of selling and growing quickly. We want fast results. So I generated several options, and from those, I chose AI maternity and newborns, as well as AI long-distance relationships. These options checked all the boxes. They have an emotional connection, a sizable but specific audience, and are easier to convert into sales. However, I was torn between the two because I liked both. Ultimately, I went with long-distance relationships, even though maternity had better selling potential. Now, our next step is to create prompts for AI image generation. These tools can bring almost anything from your imagination to life, but you need to know the right commands to give the program. Simply typing "long-distance relationship" into mid-journey won't work well, as it might produce low-quality images. We want images that look great and are highly engaging. To achieve this, we turn to AI once again. First, you should download a Chrome extension called AIPRM. Once it's installed, go to Chatgpt and sign in. The Chatgpt homepage will look different now, offering pre-built prompts to guide you. Search for Midjourney and click on it. Then, enter the keywords for which you want to create your images and press enter. Voila! You'll receive a detailed prompt that will help you generate captivating images. It will provide you with 4 different results with various scene settings. Pretty neat, right? I understand that the cost of using Midjourney might be a concern for those who are just starting out. However, there is a free alternative available called Leonardo AI. Here's how to use it. Start by visiting the Leonardo AI website and launching the app. When prompted, select "Yes, I'm whitelisted" to continue. You'll then be directed to a login page where you can easily sign in. Once logged in, click on AI Generation and paste the prompt provided by Chatgpt. Click the Generate button, and it will generate 4 different images. Select the image you like, and use the button to upscale it to a higher resolution. Finally, click Download. In my personal experience, I've used both Midjourney and Leonardo AI for image generation. While preferences may vary, I found Midjourney's images to be more creatively appealing, but I'll leave you to choose your own path. Now, it's time to share these images on your social media platforms. Keep in mind that while it may take some time for images to gain organic traction, there is an opportunity to go viral and gain followers quickly through platforms like TikTok and Reels. Take inspiration from users who have achieved millions of views by creating heartwarming stories. By crafting engaging narratives centered around long-distance relationships, you can increase the likelihood of your content going viral, as this type of content resonates with audiences. You can begin by revisiting Chatgpt and prompting it to generate a story tailored to your chosen niche. Keep in mind that the story setting should align with the niche you've selected. Once you have the generated story, take some time to review and improve it if necessary, as the initial output might not be exactly what you're looking for. After refining the story, head over to the 11 Labs website, which offers one of the best AI voice generators with excellent free plans. Actually, the VO you are listening to is made by them. I'll leave a link in the description box. In the free plan, you'll have access to around 1,000 characters, equivalent to approximately 1428 to 2500 words, which should be more than sufficient for your needs in a month. Copy and paste the script you've created into the voice generator and click Generate. Experiment with the available voices, as there are several options provided for free. Choose the one that best suits your content. Once you're satisfied with the selected voice, download the voiceover file. Next, visit Canva and search for TikTok to create a blank template. Upload all your images and the voiceover to Canva. Import these elements onto the canvas and edit them as desired to create your final video. With these steps completed, your project will be ready to go. You've got a solid plan to share your AI-generated dreamy story videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Consistent posting should indeed help your content go viral, given the demand for such videos in your niche. It's a significant opportunity, especially considering the scarcity of similar content on these platforms. Once you've built a decent-sized audience, you can start monetizing your efforts by selling either digital products or dropshipping. For product ideas, you turned to Chatgpt and received suggestions like long-distance touch lamps and love letter templates. The long-distance touch lamp seems like an excellent dropshipping product, aligning perfectly with your niche and having the potential to go viral. You can include a link to your dropshipping page in your bio and generate sales. Additionally, offering a subscription service on Substack, where you provide monthly long-form video stories related to your niche, can be a lucrative venture. Similar strategies have proven successful, attracting both subscribers and revenue. The long-distance touch lamp, in particular, offers a unique and emotionally resonant experience for distant couples, making it a high-value product that people are willing to invest in. This approach not only generates income, but also enhances your page's brand value. While print-on-demand on Etsy is an option, it may not be as profitable in your niche compared to the other products suggested by Chatgpt. To execute your plan, focus on consistent daily uploads. Remember that the more you post, the quicker you'll see results, but avoid overdoing it to prevent burnout. This is a cost-effective and time-efficient method, requiring only about 15 minutes of your day. It's an excellent opportunity to grow your online presence and generate income while catering to your audience's preferences. And this concludes today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wealth Walk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.